Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Amir Hamza, founder and CEO of Evergreen Gardens. Evergreen Garden is an online platform where you can place online orders regarding plants, gardening tools and accessories, an expert gardener to take care of your plants. We have seen that nurseries are usually far away from the residential area and people don't have access to them. And mostly nursery owners don't tell the exact care of the plants, so they die after some time. Customers bring them to their homes, and bringing plants to their home is also an issue. So we as Evergreen Garden are providing them a solution of online platform where people can place order regarding plants. They will get the plants, gardening tools and other accessories at their doorsteps. People have issue to find an expert gardener and sometimes they hire which costs them more. So we will be providing them expert gardener whenever they need and will charge for each visit. So this is the business model canvas of our startup. Our key partners will be nursery, loader rickshaw owners, shop owners that have gardening pots and tools, shop that will provide green net to cover the plants in the summers. Our key activities would include establishment of online platform where people can place order and get the order at their doorsteps, COD method, daily getting the updates about the plants availability. Our key resources will be people to run the social media pages, marketing people, loader rickshaw people to deliver the plants, nursery from where we will get the plants to our customers. Our customer relations segment would be a long-term relationship, so that in the future we would be also providing them some other services. Our customer segment would be a mass market. Our customers would be not only the people but different organizations, as plant enhances the beauty of every place. Our cost structure would be that we will be keeping 30% profit margin in each sale, and there will be no fixed cost as we are running online setup. Our revenue stream would be recurring revenue as well as transaction revenue. Transaction revenue will include selling of plants, and recurring revenue would be services that we will be providing to our customers in the future. The value proposition canvas will include people entering into this hobby actually don't know how to take care of the plants. So our platform not only sell the plants but would teach them the people how to take care of the plants through Instagram posts and YouTube channel. So the critical factors that play a vital role in the success of our business would be very few online platforms. So there is a less competition. So customer loyalty is a very important factor in our business by giving them complete knowledge regarding the plants. So we will be reached to our customers through social media pages. We will not wait for the customers to come to our business, but we will be reached them through social media pages. Marketing and sales. We will be doing social media marketing. We have created the Facebook page, Instagram account, a YouTube channel to guide the people regarding the plant cares and to increase their interest in buying plants. Our WhatsApp number will be given in which the customers can get the further details regarding the plants and prices of the plants. We have two major components. The one is SkySeed and the other is plants.pk. They are already operating in this type of business, but they are operational in Lahore. So we have a plus point that we are situated in Peshawar, so there is not a major competition in this sector. Initially I will be managing the business because as the business will grow, we will add more members as a team having skill related to marketing and content creation. Initially the business is short and all the activities will be managed by myself. So this is the financial projection and income statement for 12 months. In the first month we are expected to having a sale of 12,000, and this will gradually increase by 10% each month. Our cost of goods sold will be 70% of our sales, and we will be keeping 30% profit margin. We have allocated 4,000 advertising expense each month and some other expenses of 1,000 each month. The income tax would be 10,000. The income tax would be for 10% of the total net profit before taxes. Our current status is that social media accounts have been created. We are processed to update the price and other products to sell, after which customers can place online order. Plants and other accessories will be delivered to our customers at their doorsteps through loader bikes, and customer will pay through delivery charges. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.